Hello, my name is Mike Ward. I'm the Global Director of Content at Informa Pharma Intelligence, the publishers of Pink Sheet, Script, In Vivo and Generics Bulletin. We're here in Amsterdam at the Bio Europe Spring Meeting. This is where pharmaceutical companies, biotech, investors all get together, talk about some of the key themes that are affecting the industry, discuss progress that they're all making, and also maybe start having discussions about doing deals, etc. One of the hottest spaces is in immuno-oncology, and there are a lot of companies in that area at this meeting. I'm joined by Bart Werman. Bart, you're CEO of a young company, Hercules Pharmaceuticals. You're in that immuno-oncology space. It's really busy, a really crowded space. So how does a young startup actually get share of voice?
Well, I think in this space it's really important to come up with approaches that really improve on what's already there. What we do, for example, is improve on interfering with the tryptophan, IDO, kynurenine, AhR pathway. Right. Traditional approaches there have been to block IDO or TIDO or both. We feel that is not optimal. Actually, the real bad guy in this pathway is the AhR, the aryl hydrocarbon receptor, which basically causes immune suppression and direct tumor progression. Right. So rather than trying to reduce levels of kynurenine, we try to block the AhR, blocking the translocation of the AhR into the nucleus, and in that way interfering with the pathway. And we believe that it will hopefully give better single agent activity in the clinic than the IDO inhibitors, and it will allow application of the AhR inhibitor to a broader set of cancers than IDO inhibitors. Yeah. But clearly IDO inhibitors will only be limited to those cancers that highly express IDO compared to TIDO. And there are a number of cancers, for example breast cancer, glioblastoma, a number of other cancers that where TIDO is important will not respond to IDO inhibitors. So these are the cancers where we initially will focus on to gain a market position.
So where did the idea to sort of home in on that come from?
Well, actually, the ideas the science comes from Boston University. Professor David Scher is one of the key opinion leaders around the AhR. Actually, AhR has become known actually because it's a receptor that binds dioxin. Well, dioxin is, what does it do? It's immune suppressive and causes cancer. Yes. So from that field came the thought that this might be actually an important driver in cancer. So what it turns out is that in many cancers, the AhR is highly upregulated and constantly activated, constantly doing its bad thing. So we believe that interfering with that will not just reduce or increase tumor immunity, but also will have a potentially direct effect on cancer in terms of metastatic behavior, cancer stem cell formation, apoptosis.
Okay, so and so the status of the programs at the moment, how well developed is the business?
We have a small molecule, a lead molecule we would like to take into the clinic, HP163. We are looking for financing basically to finance taking our drug to the clinic, which could be into the clinic early next year. And then clearly looking for funding to take it through the.
So who's backed the company so far?
Well, the largest shareholder is DDF Ventures, right. And other shareholders are Boston University and the scientific founder. So far, a relatively small amount of money has gone in, but supported with some European grant funding.
Right. Okay. So where's the company based?
In the Netherlands.
Right. Okay. So out of Boston University, and you took it across the Atlantic to the Netherlands. Yes. Okay.
It's a bit unusual.
Yeah, it's an unusual route.
It's based on personal relationships and access to European grant funding.
So how much finance are you looking for to be able to achieve those milestones?
We're looking to raise 20 million Series A round.
Right, a Series A, $20 million, euros? Euros, okay. And anything? I mean, are you looking for partners at the moment? I mean, or are you? I mean, how far do you intend to take this?
But there's a lot of interest in the AhR. 2 years ago I had to explain everybody what it is. Now people know about it. Pharma companies are interested. I think there will be a lot of interest to do partnering deals, also for combination trials when we go to the clinic. What we offer is, we're first in class in a novel target in a validated pathway. So that's attractive.
Yeah. And I mean, have you sort of decided yet what cancers you're going to target first?
Well, first of all, we'll be targeting those cancers that don't respond well to AhR inhibitors. Thinking about glioblastoma, thinking about breast cancer, triple negative breast cancer, colorectal cancer, head and neck cancer, for example. These are our first. These are also cancers that highly express the AhR, and where we already have some good angles why this should be a good idea.
Okay, good. Well, Bart, thanks for stopping by and telling us about it.